Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on which time zone you are joining us from today. My name is Anna Gebruk, and I'm going to talk on behalf of the team of courses coordinated by Lomonosov Moscow State University Marine Research Center, and I'm going to present key outcomes of the series of marine expeditions that we have conducted over the last 6 years to study seafloor ecosystems of the Pechora Sea in the Russian Arctic. The Pechora Sea on the border of the Kara and the Barents Sea has unique marine ecosystem different from the rest of the Barents Sea. It has also been experiencing increasing anthropogenic pressures from offshore activities including oil and gas exploration and production. This, along with ongoing climate change, Atlantification of the Barents Sea waters, sea ice retreat and introduction of non-indigenous species create an urgent need for informed and science-based marine spatial planning. The Pechora Sea also provides important feeding grounds and migratory routes for marine mammals and birds, including the keystone Arctic species, the Atlantic walrus. However, in the current layout of the protected areas, benthic ecosystems that provide feeding resources for walruses are not considered, which is why our ultimate goal was to build understanding of the current state and interannual variability of these benthic ecosystems. We used a combination of different research methods and sampling techniques listed on the slide. The first research highlight is that over the years of expeditions we have observed increasing amount of the snow crab in the feeding grounds of walruses based on ROV video recordings. We have then conducted a combination of stomach content and stable isotope analysis to characterize trophic niche of the crabs, and we have found that the snow crab is in direct trophic competition with the other benthic decapods in the area. It feeds on macrobenthos, has non-selective diet, and it accumulates more species in its diet than any other crabs in the area. Amongst the inclusions in the stomachs, snow crabs had ingested microplastics, and on average 20% of all macrobenthic species samples from the Pechora Sea were contaminated with ingested microplastics. We then compared this to historic data from zoological collections, and we can say with statistically significant confidence that we can observe increasing amount of ingested microplastics in benthic ecosystems in the Arctic. We also have more detailed results on the structure, temporal and spatial variability of macrobenthos in the Arctic. Unfortunately, I don't have time to explain this in detail now, but if you're interested, you're more than welcome to look at our recent publications, drop me an email, or I look forward to seeing you in the science booth. Thank you.